Okay, so let us have the next example. What is the simplified form for 4 minus x squared over 7x minus 14, and state any excluded values? Let's start with the excluded values. So as we all know, the excluded values can be found in the denominator. So 7x minus 14, it should not be equal to 0. So I'm gonna solve for the value of x here. So 7x not equal to 14. Dividing both sides by 7, so the excluded value is 2, or x must not be equal to positive 2. So let's simplify here. 4 minus, I'm just gonna write simplify, x squared over 7x minus 14. Okay? So over 7x minus 14. So let's factor it first. Here is my working solution. So 4 minus x squared, that's 4, and negative x squared. So 4 is 2 times 2. Well, negative x squared is x times negative x. So this is x plus 2. The other one is negative x plus 2. So this is x plus 2, and the other one is negative x plus 2. For the denominator, 7x is 7 times x, while negative 14 is 7 times negative 2. So we have here common as 7, and then bring down 7x minus 2 since there is no common between the two. Okay, notice that the negative x plus 2, we can factor that as x plus 2, negative 1. So I can produce there x minus 2. Okay, I factored out negative x plus 2, so I can produce x minus 2 in the denominator. I can cancel now because it's common. So negative 1 x plus 2 over 7 is the answer. Or simply, you can write a negative x plus 2 over 7. So this is the simplified form. I'm going to write here the simplified form is negative x plus 2 over 7, and the excluded value is x not equal to 2. Okay. So try the practice exercises number 3. After that, you can start your classwork in your MathXL. Classwork name is Simplifying Rational Expression.